Hello friends, very good evening. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Talent Traders. Myself Bala here. I welcome you all to my channel. So this session, I'm just going to discuss about our positional options scanner and weekly setup. So why we are having the weekly on positional basis and how this works for this week, and that I'm going to discuss here, and how many triggers which has happened and how it is performed, and also why this weekly we are going to use and how to use that tutorial also we are going to discuss here. And if you are new to my channel, kindly subscribe the channel. And monthly and weekly, these are all the positional scanner which works based on the core logic of advanced option strategy, that is a positional course, so where we can apply an hedging strategy. And last week we updated the same for there is no triggers. So as of now, so we have a lot of triggers, and from this what should be the possible we can try. And this is also a tutorial video. Those who are already using our Google Sheet, that is what is a new modified web app, those who are using. And here, so a lot of trade opportunities in both call side as well as put side. And normally the week trade, why we are planning with the strategy, and the market can move in a same direction, not more than a week or 2 weeks. Sometimes it can be reverse also. So for an example, if you are tracking in the May contract, so initially it's down, so we may be trying to find out some opportunity, and the second week that is some good movement in upside, but third weeks it's moving lower. Okay, something like that we try to find an opportunity even in the weekly basis. As per the monthly concept, we can get positional triggers. Maybe we are very less numbers. It's not about a less numbers. We will be getting to wait for till the month end. So if you are looking at our monthly, so we have a lot of calls, and now so many are moved higher above our target, and then now it just came down. So the best example is scams 730. It has already moved our target based on the concept. Okay, after that now it just came down. So when you look at this is what our entry point. From that it went to maximum 113. Again now it has come to the same level. So to avoid weekly trend, so or we try to catch the weekly trend, so we have a one more additional scanner is about a weekly. So last week we updated that, and for next week, so we are going to update today's data, and it will be a new or fresh sheet. So we may be trying to find a newer opportunity by the next week. So let me check, maybe this week overall market may be negative. So if you are looking at the 1 week time, so this week it's a negative week. So from the Monday it came down and slight recovery, but in the beginning it is a negative week. Last week is the positive weeks, and previous to previous is the positive, and previous. So week wise we can also able to find out a trade opportunities. So that is the main reason. So we have weekly scanner. That weekly scanner we can able to find out opportunities with that particular scan. And this week is negative, so maybe we will be finding so many stocks given. Okay, let me check this one, 4,500 10 years. So it's a put side. So let me check whether it is a valid opportunity or not. So we know how to find a valid. It's about a May contract, 4500 put option. You can look at this. If I'm just going with the 5 minutes, maybe it is a deep in the money, it doesn't have a liquidity. So this week we are tracking from when. So it's a 5, instead of 5 minutes, we will be using 15 minutes. It's a better to, so from 11. Okay, so 11th is the beginning of this week, and we are trying to find out the trigger. So 414. So when it is triggered, the 414, it is triggered on near about 12th May around 11 o'clock. So maybe nearby 10 o'clock something. So this is a valid trigger, and in this week this is moves more than 1450. That is a huge move, almost 250% increased from our breakout point. So the second one, Reliance 1440. Let's check whether it is a valid opportunity. There will also be a put side. Yeah, you can look at this from 11th onwards. What should be our trigger is 46.4. So 46.4 that can be triggered in the first day of the week. So that would be a good opportunity which triggers on the first day of the week, and end of the week it is achieved more than our target. So based on our monthly concept as well as weekly concept, we try to find one or two opportunities that should be very good enough for a weekly positional. So weekly positional we are not going to use any edging kind of trade. So a lot of opportunities may be LTF 300. Liquid only we can try to find out, we know how to find the liquidity in the options. So there is a good liquid in this particular thing. So LTF 15. So where it is 15 is triggered, it is about 12th. So maybe if you are tracking the sheet from Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, so we may be getting newer opportunities. From that only we can play strategy. Maybe mostly the weekly one which we can use for a naked strategy are 2.1 and 3.2 strategies. Other strategies are monthly positional, which we can apply FO strategy, SBB strategy, other things where we can apply on the monthly basis because we have a longer the term. That means maximum up to 30 days holdings. But weekly we have only 5 days, and within the 5 days, if you are doing an hedging, if the stock doesn't move, the time decay may be an issue. So that is why we are using a specific strategies on weekly basis. But due to depend on the market move, so we may be getting a call side as well as put side. But overall market bid size, so we can easily able to find out 2 to 3 opportunities on weekly basis. So Titan 44550. Let me check. So this is directly linking to our positional course. So the scanner is helping you to understand the logic. So here 11. So immediately it went to 397. What should be our breakout is 239. So if you look at this, this is a gap up in the 915 candle. It went up to 320. So we consider this is not a valid trigger. So once you ignore this invalid trade, we will be trying to find newer opportunities. So we got more than 20 plus stocks. From that we try to find some 2 to 3. So like KPIN 920 59.6. From that, if not liquid, we should ignore 920 59. So this is what 59 almost 12. So most of the weekly setup, so we can find out with the Monday, Tuesday and Wednesday. So the next 2 days maximum holding period, and Friday we to wind up because next week the data would be changed and the newer strike prices, and we are going to track. So the trend also may change in the next week. So this is what our weekly positional scanner directly related to the strategy. Okay, so without strategy you can't use it, but someone who you using the tool, but they can apply in the top listed stocks, then they can apply their own strategies. Like someone who use super trend, someone use awesome oscillator, someone use different strategies with that. But we have a key concept, the how to select stocks and strike price, everything which is included in the core content. So there, this is the only a tool which helping you to find out opportunities very quicker manner. So we will do manually with charting scanners also, which we have created, and we will provided it also. So that way, so we can use it. And intraday is purely for intraday purpose. It is not about relating to our course, but this is purely using the Camarilla R4 breakout. So we will find out yesterday's close based ATM strike price. From there, which are the strike prices of breaking R4, that would be listed here. So after 9:30, you may be finding out good valid opportunities from here. Even our weekly and monthly, if the trigger is breaks in the first 15 minutes, so we should consider that should be not a valid trade. So if you follow the rules, you can easily able to find some 1 or 2 opportunities by using a weekly or monthly or even intraday also. So that is what the logic which you to understand. So tomorrow we will be updating this weekly data, and it would be newer one. So as per our concepts, so up to 2022 we hold it. After last week of expiry, it's a physical delivery started, we can't do. And last week after expiry, we will be waiting for the new months to start a monthly, and a few trading sessions we will use in the next month contract also. So this is about our scanners details today, and anyone who are acquiring the scanner and along with the course, so weekend offer is going on. So you just ping me on my WhatsApp number, which on here, to get better pricing on our course as well as this scanner. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching. And if you are new to my channel, kindly subscribe the channel. If you have any questions or a doubt, just ping me on my WhatsApp number or directly comment on the comment box. Thank you so much. Thanks for being with me. Thank you.